Heatflation is a compound word from heat and inflation. It refers to the phenomenon where excessively high temperatures prevent crops from growing properly, leading to rising food prices. Heatflation becomes tangible in the market. This summer, a watermelon cost 30,000 won, a 36.5% year-on-year jump. Higher aquaculture temperatures also cut production of sea bream and flounder, sending prices soaring and underscoring how climate volatility is now inseparable from the economics of everyday consumption. Climate change on the other side of the globe also affects prices in Korea. In the case of Humboldt squid caught in the seas near South America, the La Nina phenomenon caused the seawater to turn colder than usual, resulting in a significant increase in the price of squid in Korea. One reason heatflation has become a significant issue is that South Korea has a low food self-sufficiency rate. Food self-sufficiency is a measure of a country's ability to produce its food without relying on imports. As of 2022, South Korea's overall food self-sufficiency rate is 49.3%, which is very low compared to other OECD countries. Because over half of South Korea's food comes from abroad, its population faces heightened exposure to the volatility of global markets and climate-induced supply risks. As a result, measures to address heatflation are being proposed. First, we must develop new crop varieties that can thrive in high-temperature environments. We should also create and distribute various new varieties that can adapt to climate change. We also need to take a structural approach to increase food self-sufficiency and reform the distribution of agricultural products. The amount of land used for farming in Korea is decreasing, while the age of farmers is rising, weakening our ability to produce food independently. To resolve this situation, we need to enhance agricultural competitiveness. Additionally, currently, agricultural products grown by farmers undergo multiple distribution stages before reaching the market. If this process can be simplified, consumers can purchase agricultural products at lower prices, and farmers will earn appropriate profits. We must also plan for a stable global food supply. Climate change and conflict can halt grain exports. Building strategic reserves and cooperating with multiple countries will be key to ensuring stable imports when disruptions hit. Heatflation isn't just a seasonal glitch. It demands deep, systemic responses, not short-term fixes or delayed action. We need structural and systemic solutions at home and abroad. Only through coordinated action can we ensure future generations eat well and live with stability amid climate stress.